Morning all, it's Lesley here with another little video for Indigo Blue. So this time we're using the Indigo Blue Mixed Media Special number 8, and I've decided this morning, so you get dies and stencils and stamps and a whole lot of papers. So I've decided I want to use this paper, this sentiment which I've die cut out, and this little flower that was down in this corner. So that's what we're going to use, but there's lots of other lovely papers in the kit. So there's 2 of each sheet, so you can cut away and have fun with them all. So that's the same one again, same page as we're using now. Pop that to that side, and I've got a black mat which is 5 inches square, and some super smooth unscored cards which are 6 by 6. So I've got a scoreboard here, just fold my base card in half, pop it back. And what I thought we'd do was something like this. So I'm going to map that on there because I really like that colour. So I'll cut that down. And I'll do that to 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 to fit on my black mat. So that's there. I've just die cut this, so I'll pop this out carefully, and that's going to go somewhere around there. I'll pop a little flower on here, I think. Right, so we need to decorate this. Put that to one side, and I've got the stamps from the kit. So I've chosen my little bird here, this little texture stamp here, and the numbers. I just love these. I just think they're so useful, and just trusty old VersaFine Clay. So what I thought I'd do was just put some texture on this edge. So just working my way around. Just defines the edge a little bit more. Pop a little bit more on that corner. There you are, you can see that a little bit better now. Where should we go next? Put some numbers on. So which way up are they? That looks about right. So I'm going to put them floating off here. Keep checking where I want to be. I think what I'll do is also pop that texture stamp around the edge of this square. You don't have to use the whole of it all of the time, it's just got lots of lovely little dots. turn it round as well. You could use a colour for this as well, that would be really nice. Just going round and round. Pop a little bit in there. And bring my card matte. So my little bird, I want to put in here. So I'll ink him up. Alright, I'll do it while it's in place actually. Just roughly. Oh, I've made a mess on me. Where's me cloth? Right, let's go for it. Pop him down there. And I think I'll also just highlight the edge with the ink. Just take the ink pad around the edge and just stroke it. Yeah, that's better. So I'm going to put this on some foam pads if I can find some. There they are. You know, sometimes you just can't see for looking. There's loads of them when you get here. These are better ones. Put one in the middle, that should do. I'll put this one down with grab and go glue. Come on, pick it up. Slide that into place. Just get the backs off these. In place. I'm just going to find more rubber mats. Foam mats. And my ball embossing tool. Just give a little bit of shape to my flower. Get my card blank. Try that for size. Right, we'll pop that on with grab and go again. Just hold it for a second or two. I'll put some foam pads on the back of my flower. And there you have it, a quick and easy card from the box kit. So, hope you've got yours. If not, there are still some left, but there you go, box kit number 8 and a quick and easy card. I hope you've enjoyed that this morning, and I hope to see you again soon. All right, take care. Bye bye.